Sara. I am a grown man. I can cook dinner.
Oliver? The list is on the fridge. The pizza number is also on the fridge. Right next to the list.
I am not going to need the pizza number. I am going to cook a proper meal for my children, like a proper father.
Dad, do you actually know how to cook?
That is a very rude question. Of course I know how to cook.
Name one thing you have cooked.
Toast.
Oh? Pizza number on the fridge. Please use it.
So, what are we eating?
Pasta. We are having pasta with tomato sauce and salad.
Can you make pasta?
How hard can it be? You boil water.
You put the pasta in. You make the sauce. Simple.
Mom always checks the instructions. On the packet,
I don't need instructions. I am the instructions.
Dad, Mom uses medium heat.
Medium is for people who have time. We are hungry now.
It is coming out of the pot.
It is fine. Everything is fine. Dad,
Dad, should we call Mom? Should we call Mom?
we are not calling Mom. I have this under control. Ow.
Dad, are you okay?
I am fine. Completely fine. It was just steam. I am making the sauce now. Everything is under control.
Dad, are you okay? Why are you crying?
It is the onion. I am not actually crying. It is the onion.
He is crying. It is the onion, Sam. Onions do that. The onion made Dad sad? Does Mom cry when she cuts onions? No, she just cuts them.
Your mother is not a normal human. She is some kind of superhuman.
Dad, there is smoke.
That is just steam. Steam is fine.
Dad, that is not steam. Steam is white. That is gray. That is smoke. It is so loud!
Turn it off!
Turn it off! How do I turn it off?
Wave something at it!
Dad, the onion is black.
That is caramelized.
It is burned, Dad.
Some people like it like that. So, who wants pizza?
Me! Yes, please. The number is on the fridge. Right next to the list.
Nobody is going to mention this to Mum. Agreed?
Agreed. Agreed.
How did it all stick together?
You cooked it for too long. On high heat. Without stirring it.
It looks like one giant pasta cake.
Can we eat it like a cake?
Your mother makes this look so easy every single day, and I ruined pasta. The easiest thing to cook in the world.
This is the best dinner ever.
The best dinner? It is just pizza.
The best. Because you made it. It is a form of cooking. You make a decision about food, and then food arrives. That is basically cooking. Sam, ordering pizza is not cooking. It is a form of cooking.
Butter burns very fast. 3, onions make you cry, even if you are a grown man. And 4, your mom is a genius, and I should never have doubted her list.
And 5, pizza is always the answer. Dad, can I say something?
Go on.
This was actually kind of the best Saturday, even with everything going wrong. Maybe because of everything going wrong.
Hey, Sarah. Everything is great here. Totally fine. Kids are fed. House is standing.
Oliver, why does the smoke alarm app say it went off at 6 p.m.?
The what?
The smoke alarm app, Oliver. It is connected to my phone. It sends me a notification when it goes off.
Sara, I may have had a small cooking incident. Emphasis on small. She is laughing.
Mom, we had pizza! It was amazing! Dad cried because of an onion!
Okay, the pizza number was very helpful. You were right about everything, as usual.
Is everyone okay? House still standing?
House still standing. Kids are fed. I have slightly burnt fingers. But we are all fine. Very fine.
I love you. All of you. Even you, Oliver.
Even me? Just even?